Hey everybody, so we're back out here at the garage today, starting on another project. We're gonna paint those visors as we talked about for the 67. We bought them in black because they were a lot cheaper, but we have to paint them white. So we went and picked up some paint. We've got the adhesion promoter. We'll get that applied first. And then we're gonna see how well this paint matches, get them back in the truck, see how much better it looks. I hope it looks a lot better than the black ones do. So stick around, we're gonna show you how it goes. So first of all, this is the stuff we're going to be using. It is ivory bisque, I guess. We're going to spray first with this adhesion promoter. Try and get that on there. And the black do look good just because they're nice and new, but I think white will definitely match inside here a lot better with that headliner and just kind of the colors of the truck. There's not much else that's black. So we're going to get those pulled out and start painting. We'll get a couple coats of this adhesion promoter and then we'll lay down some of the white paint. All right, we're ready to start throwing down some paint. All right, now you guys can see how this is turning out so far. It's looking really good. All right, everybody, we're done for today. We're gonna let these hang overnight before we can put them in the truck, let them dry. Like I said, we got these black ones for almost probably $100 cheaper than what we would have had to pay to buy white ones. So we got these all taken care of, bought them cheaper, about $5 on a can of paint, and we got some of the adhesion promoter just to hopefully help it stick a little better. But I love the color. It's going to match really well inside this truck, and we'll show you guys the finished product once we can hang them in there tomorrow and give you a little update on how that turned out. But like I say, it saved us $100. It was worth it. I don't mind doing the work, and I think it's kind of fun. So that is all we're doing today. It's the next day and we're getting started again. As you recall, we left off with these two guys. They're drying and I think they're dry. We're gonna go get them put in this truck and let you see the finished results on it. See how it turned out. Hopefully it matches good. I think it's gonna look great. So let's go check it out. Ooh, I like that. Let's take you guys in. let you check that out. Look at that. That turned out nice. Look at that. I like that. Much better white. Turned out really good. All right, everybody, that's it. This project turned out really nice. I'm glad we did it. It saved us a lot of money to do it this way. Just do a little bit of a prep on our end, and they'll still turn out really nice. We're done with this one. We're gonna move on to some other projects this morning and bring you along for those. We'll keep you updated. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.